We're gonna take this HDA head off and replace it with a 1500 style head. Tools required is a 3/4 inch open end wrench, a 3/16 hex key, a pick, or an 1/8 inch hex key also. Step 1, remove the 4 screws from the back of the HDA to get this off. Be cautious when removing the last screw. This guy is pretty heavy. Set it aside. Take your pick. There's a pin in here that needs to be released. This guy will not come off until you push this pin and lightly spin it. And remove the plunger. There's an Allen screw, a 3/16 Allen screw in here. Remove it. And then pull this component off. Set it aside. Remove the 4 1/4 inch hex keys from the front. Retain these bolts. You'll be using them later to install the 1500 flange. This flange is no longer needed, it's for the HDA. Now take your 1500 flange and locate these 2 bolt holes to the side. Using the 4 screws you took out earlier to put it on. Tighten these, cross pattern. No torque value needed, just make sure they're good and tight. Take your 1500 plunger, screw it into the hole. Take your wrench and tighten it up. Be careful not to break this off. You gotta be gentle with that. Then take your 1/8 inch Allen hex key. Put some blue Loctite on this thread and install it into the lock port located underneath the plunger adapter. Kryptonite's these little guys. Okay. Of course, make sure your packing is installed in your head properly. You want this to be loose. Run it down with your finger, then back it off a little bit, then install it with the discharge check up. Putting your bolts on. Lightly grease these threads to prevent galling. Tight and good with your 3/4 wrench. Back in that adjusting tool. Snug down, 1/8 of a turn. That's it.